to grow fast, feel flat. But if your YouTube short is getting less than 1,000 views right now, that doesn't mean that you're a bad creator, and it definitely doesn't mean your content isn't good enough. But I get how frustration it feels. You put in all this effort, you post consistently, maybe even follow all the tips you have heard, and you're still sitting here with under 500 views on a video you know deserve more. That's exactly why I made this video, because what I'm about to show you is the same strategy creators are using in 2025, blow past the 1K wall, and in some cases, it millions of views. But I'm not going to sit here and throw empty tactics at you. We're going deep, because once you understand this, your entire content strategy shifts. Let's break down framework number 1. The 3 problems you don't realize you're making. Getting unstuck start here. Let's start with something honest. If your short is struggling, it's not always because of quality. It's because YouTube is confused about who your video is for. And most creators, especially grown ones, don't realize they're making these 3 mistakes. Let's break down the first problem. The hook isn't visual enough. Let me guess. Your short start with you talking, or maybe text on a screen with a little music behind it. Here's the problem. That's not a hook. That's an intro. An intro kill retention in short. You have less than 1.2 seconds to grab someone without a sound. If your hook isn't visual loud, you already lost them. What to do instead? Start with movement, mystery, a pattern interruption. Think, someone almost dropped a phone, a dramatic close-up, or an oddly satisfying action. You want them to go, wait, what is this? That gets the scroll to pause. And remember, pause trigger reach. Problem number 2, you're optimizing for information, not emotion. This one is sneaky. And you're making great tip video, right? Maybe something like 3 ways to grow on YouTube fast. Here what happened. You focus on value, you list great point, you say like and subscribe at the end, and the video flop. Why? Because short doesn't reward value. They reward emotion. You need to build content around feelings, not fact. Here's a shift. 3 YouTube hacks to grow fast, feel flat. But this is why no one is watching your video. Fix it in 15 seconds, that's a feelings. When you make the viewers feel exposed, curious, or seen, they stay. Number 3, you're using the wrong metric to decide what's working. Let me ask you this. When your short doesn't do well, what do you check first? Views, like, comment? Here what actually matters. Loop rate, watch percentage, scroll stop rate. Most creators never look at this stuff, but YouTube is judging your content in milliseconds. If your video has a strong first second, scroll stopper, 70% of watch retention, iReplay loop, it will get pushed, even if it has 30 views today. Now that you understand why your short are stuck, let's talk about how to fix them with what's working right now. Framework number 2, the loop trigger system. Get replay without trick. Let's get into the exact framework creators are using to break the 1K view wall and trigger momentum. It's called the loop trigger system, and it's built for shorts only. Step 1, start with a what just happened moment. This is not a normal hook. This is a frame that makes people rewind instantly. Some example, a hand covering the camera and revealing something shocking, a number changing rapidly, a confused motion, like cutting from a smile to a scream. These what just happened visual trigger rewatch loop. And YouTube love rewatch loop. Every time someone scroll back, YouTube think, oh, people are engaging. Let's show it to more. Step 2, deliver the message in reverse. Most people do this. Hook, tip, call to action. You're going to reverse it. Why? Because most short are silent. So your visual have to carry the meaning without words. Try this format. Show the result first, satisfying transformation, weird fact, punchline, then rewind or explain how it happened, and with a cliffhanger or a mic drop. This is the same pattern people use in magic trick, transformation, or how to hack that go viral. Step 3, the pause bait visual. This isn't subtle, but powerful. Insert a visual that begs to pause. For example, a chart with the numbers that appear fast, text that disappear too quickly, a subtitle clue or reveal in the background. Even if people don't actually pause, the overtime increase. That's watch time. That's retention. That's the push. Bonus layer. Captions that play games. Instead of basic subtitle, add playful or unexpected caption. Use emoji to create rhythm. Add fake error message. Flash contradicting word. For example, say this word, but flash, don't try this. Caption that tell a story inside the story, making people read, not stroll. Act number 3, your 3-day recovery plan. If you've already posted and it's not working, let's say you already post 5 short last week and they flop. You're out to recover fast and reset the content signal. Day 1, research day. No filming, no posting, just watch. Go into your short feed and do this. Save 10 short that stop your scroll. Write down what happened in the first second. Note what made you stay to the end. Look for pattern, movement, emotion, pace. This is your template library. Day 2, remix day. Pick one format from your library. Now make your own version of it, but add your message. Don't copy, just mirror the structure. This works better than starting from scratch because it aligns your content with what's trending right now. Day 3, re-upload day. You're going to post one short using a show-stopping visual, a loop trigger, a feelings-based message, an angle pause caption. Then go to your analytics and look at viewers' retention. Look at how long people stay. Watch for Wednesday drop. Adjust fast. Post again the next day. This is how you build momentum with short in 2025. Look, YouTube isn't ignoring you. It's just trying to figure out who your content is for. If you're stuck on the 1,000 views, it doesn't mean you're not good enough. It means your signal isn't clear yet. But now you have got the strategy, the breakdown, and the system. You're not guessing anymore. You're executing. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one framework from this video, apply it to your next short, and don't stop until it breaks the algorithm wall. And if you're still watching, this tells me something. You're not just here to dabble, you're here to grow. So hit that subscribe button because in my next video, I'm showing you how a faceless creator are using AI to get millions of views while barely lifting a finger. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Let's grow together.